Reach one hill, but me say 10 more. Rasky money, still climbing.
Reggae culture music.
Me touch stage in a foreign land, but me spirit still Kwan River Tansan. Me get call from name brand vice, but me only answer when me feel choice. Me rise, but me rise slow like sunlight choosing shadow. Me no run with hungry pride, me walk with truth as my guide. I'm still climbing, me foot no weak, still chanting, even when me no speak. Yeah, still holding, even when things shake. Yeah, still building, brick by brick my way. Me not lost in flash and pose, me hold firm like old bamboo posts. Me see big deal fly past, but me stay grounded fi make it last. My voice get play in a uptown bar, but me still shop down a Spanish town car. Me not change rhythm fi suit them mood. My voice stay raw like grandma food. Still climbing, me foot no weak. Still chanting, even when me no speak. Yeah, still holding, even when things shake. Yeah, still building, brick by brick my way. Me see them rush fi top spot name, but forget that the climb is part the flame. Me rise with wounds, me rise with time. Me no skip no run for rhyme. Me carry silence like it gold. My words no sell but them old. Me nah need hype for my work. Me climb slow but me reach earth. Still climbing, me nah reach peak. Oh, still learning, still feel, still see. Yeah, still chanting like drum beat deep. Still climbing, even in our sleep. Yeah, the top now make you great, it's how you climb. Still climbing, still us, still come on. Reggae culture music, reggae culture music. The top now make you great, is how you climb. Still climbing, still rust, still commanding. Reggae culture music. You know, some people run from the fire, but I was raised in it. Reggae culture music, this are for the ones who know Kingston. Born in a zinc fence lane, where sunrise come through pain. Me learn fi smile in a hurricane, me learn fi chant instead of complain. Me granny cook on coal stove fire, she said love nah retire. Them take me father early, so me learn fi stand up surely. Me school book full of rhyme, me class seat empty sometimes, but the pen a me only weapon. Me write verse like Psalm and lesson. Kingston raise high, but roots stage was gully, wall and tire. Me brother drop, me heart get tight, but me chant through tear in a candlelight. Me voice come rough like city night, but me soul still dancing July. Them say me too serious for me age, but me lyrics born from page of rage. Me nah beg no Babylon place, me dep on mission not race. Me nah mimic, me nah disguise, me no clone Bob, but me honor wise. Kingston raised I, but roots still guide I. Me nah flex high, me flex true. Kingston blaze I, but love still ride I. Me carry Zion right through. Me see blood in the street like ink. Me see youth them numb no blink, but me bring the word like rain. Me voice plant hope through strain. Me no fear system steer. Me lyrics sharp, me spirit beer. Me say roots now fade in style. Me chant in Kingston but think exiled. Me carry hills in a me tone. Me mix ghetto with ancient stone. Me future bright, me past still grey, but me nah lose the ganja way. Kingston raise I, but roots still guide I. Me nah flex high, me flex true. Kingston blaze I, but love still ride I. Me carry Zion right through. My voice come from the zinc, my message come from the root. Reggae culture music, me nah stop sing truth. Reggae culture music, this one personal, from out of me yard. Spanish Town me pride, Jamali Jai. From Spanish Town I rise. Me born pon the corner where the zinc fence bend. Every little youth dey pon the hustle fi spend. My granny sell fruit right near the lane, and the sound of Sunday church still echo in my brain. Me learn the struggle early, me can't pretend, but me also still love where them can't comprehend. Fire burn, yes, but family tight. Me grow in a shadow, still me heart full of light. From Spanish Town I rise, where the sun beat hard and the dream them high. Me carry the voice of the streets and me cry. Reggae culture are the reason me try. From Spanish Town I rise, with the dust on my foot and the flame in my eyes. Me not forget where my spirit lie. Me say from Spanish Town I rise. Me see the gunshot mark on the wall. Me see my brother fall, me still stand tall. The system never care, them just take roll call. But me get strength from my people, one and all. Me hear sound system rock Saturday night. My first whole mic under that street light. Me say lyrics before me learn to write. Now the whole town know me fi chant the fight. From Spanish Town I rise, where the sun beat hard and the dream them high. Me carry the voice of the streets and I'ma cry. Reggae culture the reason me try. From Spanish Town I rise, with the dust on my foot and the flame in my eyes. Me not forget where my spirit lie. Me say from Spanish Town I rise. Yo, me city full of pain and gold. Me learn how to live, how to never fall. My roots run deeper than them ever told. Spanish Town, your story bold. So when you hear my voice on the beat, know say me carry the heat. Of my homeland, sweet and street. Spanish Town still move my feet. Reggae culture music, repeat. From Spanish Town I rise, and my mission complete.
You hear me? We nah bow, we nah bend. Reggae culture music for the roots man them. Jamal is Zion, stand like a lion again. Me see the pressure them apply, but still me nah comply. My born for chant, not for cry. My voice I reach the sky. The system I come like drop, but my spirit nah get snapped. My lyrics spear me heart nah flop. Me there with the fire non-stop. Stand like a lion, firm in the fire. Truth in my heart, I'm a soul reach higher. Stand like a lion, no follow no liar. Reggae culture beat strong like a naya bingy choir. Them try for dim me light, but Jah give me the sight. Me see true false delight. Me walk with ancestral might. From gully to hilltop me trod, with herbs, with word, with God. Me nah beg no nod. My mission bigger than fraud. Stand like a lion, firm in the fire. Truth in my heart, I'm a soul reach higher. Stand like a lion, no follow no liar. Reggae culture beat strong like a naya bingy choir. So if you ever feel down, remember we wear the crown. Kings and queens from the ground, rising up, sound by sound. Jah guidance never late. My step clean, me whole faith. And every chant me create, break chain, open gate. Stand tall, stand true. Reggae culture, we there with you. From sunrise to dew, me said the lion roar just come true. Stand like a lion, yeah we do. Stand like a lion, yeah we do. First verse is survival, second verse is survival, second verse is pain. But
But the third verse, that's where me explain. Reggae culture music, this a Trenchtown. Me come from corner where them can't pronounce. My voice rough like zinc bones. Me learn for duck before me walk. Me learn for watch before me talk. Missy mama selling son. Missy youth run just for fun. Missy police and pressurize. Still my whole piece in my eyes. Me write rhyme in a matchbox pad. Me chant shoot what them call mad. Me never rich but my soul full. My roots deep, my voice pull. War, this a third verse from Trenchtown, where the truth now we're crowned. Where the fire burn low, but it still burn down. This a third verse from Trenchtown. Me nah move for sure, me move for song. Oh, 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 oh. Me nah have no plan for leave. My plan for make the rhythm breathe. Me nah run from pain, me stand. My voice a tool, my word a hand. My day I feed the little youth. Them we hide but still seek truth. Me nah shine with gold or chain. Me shine with memory and grain. Me see them chase illusion fast, but me chant slow for make it last. Me tell them vice is not a toy, is a weapon or a joy. It's a third verse from Trenchtown, where the truth now we're crowned. Where the fire burn low, but it still burn down. This a third verse from Trenchtown. Me nah move for show, me move for song. Know me travel place, me never dream, but still here zinc fencing on my scheme. My lyrics global, but my tone stay yard. Me still write pan wall, not just pan card. Me no dress for stage or lights. Me dress for soul, for sleepless nights. Me carry trench in my phrase. I'ma still give thanks and praise. Me walk through Babylon slow. Me nah bow, me let them know. This verse no need no hook. This verse a living book. This a third verse from Trenchtown, where the truth now we're crowned. Where the fire burn low, but it still burn down. This a third verse from Trenchtown. Me nah move for show, me move for song.
First verse you cry, second you fight, but the third you overstand. Money, still Kingston, still roots.
Me empress, your love come like river, steady and sure. Roots link forevermore. She now dress for the gram, she dress for the soul. She move like morning light, pure and whole. But watch how she bless every little hand. A roots woman we overstand. She plant seed in a yard, plant faith in a youth. She speak gentle but she strong like truth. Me can't find no flaw, me can't find no lie. Me only find joy in her eye. Roots woman love, straight from the ground, deep like ocean, sure like song. Roots woman love, nah pretend. Me walk with her, Jah guide we end. Roots woman love, fire and grace. This is iron glow in her face. Roots woman love, me give thanks and stay. I love when I fade away. When me weary, she chant my strength. When me doubt, she stretch my length. Me heart a drum and she beat it wise. Each kiss like psalm in a sunrise. No chains, no games, no Babylon trap. She free like river, when never stop. Me no need crown, when she dey near. But wear our love like sacred pride. Roots woman love, straight from the ground, deep like ocean, sure like sound. Roots woman love, it not pretend. Me walk with her, Jah guide we end. Roots woman love, fire and grace. This is iron glow. Two soul, one sacred place. My whole I run through fire and rain. Roots woman love, can't feel no pain. Roots woman love, straight from the ground. Deep like ocean, sure like song. Roots woman love, it not pretend. Me walk with her, Jah guide we end. Roots woman love, fire and grace. This is I am glowing our faith. Roots woman love, we give thanks and stay. I love when I fade away. My woman, the prayer, the run, the root. Roots woman love, Jah gift above.
Reggae culture music.
The anniversary. Meantime, yeah, my roots. Roots woman love, Jah gift above. Reggae culture music.
My queen, yeah. Me give your love when no money can buy. Jah bless this link, not ritual eye. She no inna the hype, she inna herself. Read book under tree, no chase no wealth. Me love how she move, me love how she dwell. When she smile, my heart ring like an iron bell. She cook ital stew and reason about life. She said, me no need ring for be your wife. It's like she read my mind when me confused. Me give thanks to Jah for such a muse. This a lion love, not soft nor fake. A roots connection, no heartbreak. From the first time I see her face, me know Jah place her in my space. This a lion love, with passion and peace. My queen stands strong like ancient trees. From my heart to hers, no need for proof. Just hold up her meds and move. When my chant she did it, when my love she still care. She see the fire and still there to walk with the lion, yeah she not scared. Me teach her some, she show me grace. No ego, no race, just I in the space. Me love how she trust, how she wait, how she grow. In a world full of lies, she let truth flow. Ital vibes, riverside kiss. No vanity, just simple bliss. Me no ask Jah for more than this. My woman, my queen, me eternal gift. This a lion love, not soft nor fake. A roots connection, no heartbreak. From the first time I see her face, me know Jah place her in my space. This a lion love, with passion and peace. My queen stands strong like ancient trees. From my heart to hers, no need for proof. Just hold up her meds and move. Me say, lion love, yeah, yeah. Jamal is Zion, blessed union, not Babylon. when truth arise. Me float pan rhythm, no need disguise. Chant for the youth, them lost in a maze. Blow out the smoke, me step out of the haze. Me vision clear like a full moon night. Me trod with love, but me ready for fight. Babylon crumble when my words ignite. Me lyrics echo bring dark to light. Echoes of Zion roll through the drum. Dub-wise thunder, hear Jah come. Every reverb a message, every drop a sound. My soul moves steady like ancient time. Me close my eyes and me still can see the hills, the stars and prophecy. Them can't mute me, voice too free. It echo in a dub like a timeless plea. Me no want crowd, me just want space. Me and me sound in a sacred place. With a delay upon truth and a splash of grace. My lyrics levitate through Jah embrace. Dub it deep, dub it raw. Let the rhythm take me far. From this system we're too bizarre. Me not fear, me know who me are. Echoes of Zion roll through the drum. Dub-wise thunder, hear Jah come. Every reverb a message, every drop a sign. My soul moves steady like ancient time. Zion, in a echo me trust. Now rush, now rush. Just words, sound and power in a cosmic hush. Yeah, yeah. Me float on rhythm like breeze in bush. Now rush, now fuss. Just words, sound and power in a cosmic hush. Yeah, me float pan rhythm like breeze in bush. Them always ask me, where you from, uncle? Me say, from where my spirit never leave, back to the valley. Me from the place where the hills them hold. The stories deeper than silver or gold. Me from where granny plant cassava ground, where every breeze have a nyaya bingy sound. Me wake to rooster, not ringtone. Me know the land like skin and bone. Me barefoot walk from stream to stone, and me never once feel alone. Take me back to the valley, where my soul first sing, where me youth still echo, and my roots still cling. Take me back to the valley, where my name feel right, where Jah shine down with mountain light. I miss the city, me walk concrete, but my spirit moved to country beat. Me remember plantain leafy plate. Me remember wait pon rain, not gate. Me from sound system in a zinc yard, from barefoot dance and mango card, from wriggle and prove a road in a every laugh, from real love, not just photograph. Take me back to the valley, lonely. Me there now with grayer hair, but me still feel the same breeze in the air. My heart never leave that side. It beat with hill and river
hold tight. Me teach the youth fi hold it tight. Cause home now come with title right. It live in your food, your drum, your face. It live in memory and grace. Take me back to the valley. Me roots, my call. Take me back to the valley before me fall. Take me back to the valley. The final song. Me was there all along. Oh. Hey. Never leave. Me just carry baby.
Reggae culture music.
Me just carry it everywhere. Me no need for shout, me no need for run, me chant low, but my spirit still burn.
Reggae culture.
Me keep it low, like ocean a prayer. Me walk slow, like truth we can't fear. Me nah boast what me never build. My voice no loud but it's strong still. Me see them move for flash and gold. Me move for roots where deep and old. My granny said, noise not loud. Me take that word, me hold it fast. Me keep it low, but my fire still grow. Me walk in peace, but my chance still show. Me not jump high, me keep one flow, but me still rise like tree from below. Yeah, me not post every little move. Me hold breath in the rhythm groove. Me write verse for youth we shy. Fi remind him, say soul can't die. Me keep low, but me not hide. Me walk same lane where them divide. Me no follow hype for name, me follow silence we carry flame. Oh, me keep it low, but my fire still grow. Nah, Them say talk up, show face. Me say stand firm, hold grace. Me nah quiet from fear. Me quiet cause me clear. Me keep it low, but me firm like stone. Me chant alone, but me never alone. Me keep it low, me still overstand. Me build with time, not with demand. Me day are still, me just no make nice. Me no need crowd for know my vibe. Kimani, na 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 na. Reggae culture music. Crowd fi know my voice. Raskemani. Reggae culture music. Hey. Me come from Zing. Me carry vision. Me not choose between. Me build with both. Me born where zinc fence some in rain, where you learn for love pain. My granny said, don't let them change your mind. Me write truth in a school book spine. Me see friend turn ghost from street. Me still hear them in every beat. My voice no sweet, it raw, but me no sing for applause. But me carry zinc and vision. Me rise with roots and mission. Me nah flex for fame decision. Me day a fi purpose, not position. Me carry zinc and vision. My voice not bend, me intuition. Still chanting with precision. Me chant for soul, not competition. My foot still dust from town, but my mind a build crown. Me nah bow for Babylon chance. Me rather slow step than fast dance. My lyrics come from real night. Me chant like match light. Me write with silence and rage. Me live on every page. Yo, me carry zinc and vision. Yeah, me carry zinc and vision. Yeah. Them say choose road or sky. Me say me carry both in a me eye. Me dep on ground but me rise high. Me nah split, me unify. Oh, me carry zinc and vision. Me walk with pain and precision. Me nah sell roots for attention. Me chant for you them redemption. Yeah. Still Rascomani, still zinc, still vision. Still reggae culture music.
I feel the cool sand. Talking to my brethren about way always stand. Dirt on my skin, sun, heat on my back. Babylon try fi hold we never lose track. Them a chat about me ears to the drum. Roots dig deep, see the river it run. Simple things, just my life, me island. Spirit rise up every time me on. Digging out the soil, yeah me know what true be. Mama earth whisper, she handled it smoothly. Me step slow, watch the ants them pass. Everything connect, every blade of grass. When me touch the earth, me feel the power rise. Hold me solid, me ready, even when trouble come by. Stand strong, me lion side. Jah protect I, Jah provide. Yeah, me talk to you straight, me not pretend youth. Enough plant the field, but them can't bear fruit. Me move humble, me reason clear. Truth run deep, so me hold it near. Bread and water, me share one little. Rastafari guide me through every riddle. Look on the struggles, me know it not lost. Unity, love, them things not cost. Hand in hand, my sight, we all heal. Earth in my palm, reality real. Man chant, feel it strong, 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 strong. When me touch the earth, me feel the power rise. Oh, me solid, me ready, even when trouble come by. Jah protect I, Jah provide. La la la, me grounded, yeah me grounded. Blessed love every time touch the earth, me find my mind.
True love, it's not loud, it's deep, steady, where my heart belongs. Reggae culture music.
She walks with grace, she speaks with light. No need for diamonds to shine so bright. She plants her dreams in open fields and waters hope with all she feels. She doesn't chase what fades away. She builds her love in simple ways. And every time I see her smile, I feel just blessing all the while. This is where my heart belongs, in her arms where love is strong. This is where my spirit flies, under endless Kingston skies. This is where my soul can stay, roots and love, no price to pay. This is where my heart belongs, forever in her song. Love. When storms come down and trials fall, she stands with me through it all. She's like the roots beneath the tree, silent, strong, holding me. She knows no fear, she knows no hate. She walks with love and leaves her ways. At every step she sings Jah name, and I am stronger in her flame. This is where my heart belongs, in her arms where love is strong. This is where my spirit flies, under endless Kingston skies. This is where my soul can stay, roots and love, no price to pay. This is where my heart belongs, forever in her song. No golden chain, no flashing lights could hold me down or feel this right. Only her prayer, only her smile can carry me these 1,000 miles. Yeah, this is where my heart belongs, in her arms where love is strong. This is where my spirit flies, under endless Kingston skies. This is where my soul can stay, roots and love, no price to pay. This is where my heart belongs, forever in her song. Where my heart belongs, always her, always roots.
Me say, no sleep in a Babylon. For real, stay woke, me non young, them illusion. Yeah, Jamal is Zion. Them say peace, but them bring destruction. Talk love, but them live corruption. Read between lines like Revelation, and me chant truth with no hesitation. Me stand tall, lion in a concrete. My words them beat like Naya Bingy beat. For every youth we get pushed in a street, me blaze one verse, make the system retreat. No sleep in a Babylon. Them plan every step like a marathon, but me step light with Selassie. Me nah get caught in a illusion, man. No sleep in a Babylon. Me see them trick on television, but
Truth cut sharp like a Gideon sword. Me chant them down in the name of the Lord. Them poison food and corrupt the mind. Me detox daily with the herbs divine. Me link with the elders, me study sign. My lyrics align like ancient line. Me no care about the likes or industry talk. Me care about the youth where I suffer when them walk. So my voice a weapon, my lyrics a spark. My blaze pan rhythm till Babylon dark. Stand firm, no bend, no twist. Me chant Psalm 1 with a iron fist. Me nah sleep on truth, me resist. Every fake king get dismissed. No sleep in a Babylon. Them plan every step like a marathon. But me step light with Selassie. Me nah get caught in a illusion, man. No sleep in a Babylon. Me see them trick on television. But truth cut sharp like a Gideon sword. Me chant them down in the name of the Lord. Me there fi chant and defend. Me lyrics not bend. Jamal is Zion to the very end. Reggae culture music. No sleep, no pretense, just essence. Me there fi chant and defend. Me lyrics nah bend. Jamal is Zion to the very end. Reggae culture music, no sleep, no pretense, just essence. You don't need to see it, you can feel it. Reggae culture music. I don't need no clock to tell me time. I feel the rhythm running down my spine. Every heartbeat carry one clear sign. The music lives inside this soul of mine. Wake up and stretch out with the sun. Drum beat rising, we already won. Me not stress about what they do, as long as the vibes stay true. I don't follow crowds or trends, I just follow what don't end. Truth and sound become my friend. I rise with a rhythm again. There's a rhythm in my chest, keeps me moving through the stress. Every beat a little blessing, every note a little test. There's a rhythm in my chest, no, I never second guess. Roots and spirit in my step, and Jah guide all the rest. I've been through fire, I've been through ice. People cold, but love still nice. Lessons deep inside the noise, but silence teach the realest voice. I've played shows with empty chairs, still gave thanks for every stare. It's not the crowd that makes it right, it's who you are when no one's in sight. Don't chase numbers, don't fake smile, just hold the groove and walk your mile. Rhythm deeper than profile, it live in you all the while. There's a rhythm in my chest, I see the youth youth with big headphone, but do they hear the message shown? So I keep singing verse by verse, hoping my word can break the curse. Men, I need no stage to shine, my shining market river line. The rhythm inside, it never fade, and through that sound my life is made. There's a rhythm in my chest. There's a rhythm in my chest. There's a rhythm in my chest. There's a rhythm in my chest.
Me hear the sound from bamboo, not scream. Me voice might be rough, but me message clean. Reggae culture music, me call them gently. Me beat me drum in the early dawn, for wake the heart of youth unborn. Me sing not for fear, me chant for ground. Me lyrics simple but spirit sound. Me day long before trend. Me chant for roots that never bend. Me not rise in glitter light. Me rise when truth a guide the night. Yeah. Call up the bamboo. Me answer with soul. Me not move fast, but me still all gold. Call up the bamboo. Echo in a mind. Me sing for tomorrow, but me move with time. Oh, me remember them barefoot day. Me remember the old school way. Me remember when voice was drum, when chant a weapon, not income. Me know them youth, them watching face, but roots run deeper than fashion place. Me nah judge, me guide them path. Me sing for balance, sing for rock, call up the bamboo. Me answer with soul. Me nah move fast, but me still all gold. Oh, If my words fall upon little ear, me hope it plants something clear. Got love now weak and fire now loud, and truth still burn beneath the cloud. Me no dep on every chart, but me dep on every heart. My voice might fade like smoking breeze, but bamboo still speak through trees. Nor call off the bamboo, me still respond, even when me gone. Me voice live long. Call off the bamboo, me beat go on. Drum and word for every dawn. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Me call on the bamboo echo, not for crowd, for soul. Me not drown in a crowd, me not fade in a wave. Me chant clear ear through smoke. Rascal money, reggae culture music. Them blow smoke in my way, but my sight still see the day. Them sell fame like it food, but my voice no digest mood. Me walk through fog with pace. Me no run race for face. Me chant from belly, not stage. Me wisdom no fit, no cage. Me chant clear through smoke. Me not joke, me provoke. Me still low, me still float. Me hold fire but not choke. Clear through smoke. Me not follow, me invoke. My word sharp like root poke. Me chant truth, the real quote. Yeah, me see lie in a big screen. Me see fake wear crown like queen. Me not bark for trend reaction. Me chant from soul attraction. Me keep it humble and rough. Me lyrics simple but tough. Me no sweet like sugar show. Me chant like river flow. Me chant clear through smoke. Me voice no comfy please, it comfy ease. Fi cut through noise like tree through breeze. Me chant clear through smoke. Me nah bow, me invoke. My whole flame in the yoke. Me still rise through choke. Clear through smoke. Me nah drift, me stay woke. My voice echo like coke. My words build, me nah broke. Yo, me nah blind by flash. Me still see the root, clear through smoke. Still Rasky money, still reggae culture music.
marching through the flames until we reach the land of Zion. We will fight until the battle's won. We will see a new day rising.
Some people feel like a place, some feel like peace. You feel like home. Reggae culture music. I've been to cities full of sound, lights and noise all around, but nothing moves me like your eyes. Simple truth, no need to try. You don't pretend, you don't perform. You bring the fire, you bring the calm. You smile like morning in the hills, and every part of me stands still. Burr. You feel like home, like roots beneath my feet, like shade when sun is deep, like water when I'm dry. You feel like home, no questions, no disguise. You bring the peace I recognize. Yeah. You never chase what isn't true. You know what love was meant to do. You build with hands, not empty talk. You stay, you pray, you rise, you walk. I found no comfort in gold or fame, but in your heart I found my name. You gave me rhythm, gave me breath, you gave me purpose over death. You feel like home, like wind that knows my song, like night that holds me long, like rain on zinc above. You feel like home, like truth that doesn't shake, like love I didn't fake. I never knew that stillness could sing until you gave my silence wings. You are no rush, you are no race. You are a sacred resting place. You feel like home, like roots beneath my feet, like shade when sun is deep, like water when I'm dry. You feel like home, no questions, no disguise. You bring the peace I recognize. You feel like home. Queen, come place. You feel like home. Love done rush, it just shows up and shine. Reggae culture music. You never needed to say too much. The silence spoke with the softest touch. You didn't try to change my path. You just walked beside me and made me laugh. You gave me space and sacred time, and still you stayed when the road turned blind. You held my truth and let me grow, like a river runs, not fast, but slow. In your light, I find my way, even when
don't compare. You just exist, you're just there, like roots that hold a tree so tall. You stand with me through rise and fall. In your light I find my way, even when my skies turn gray. In your light I breathe with ease, like mountain air and island breeze. No pressure, no fear, just your voice and I hear that love don't need noise to be clear. In your light there's no disguise, only truth behind your eyes. In your light I feel release, my soul in you has found its peace. Not loud, not rushed, just real, just light. In your light, Reggae Culture.